Hi, today we're going to look at doodle patterns. Often when I'm stuck for ideas, I might draw something quite simple and doodle and consider some patterns. So here I am doing a stick figure, thinking how can I make this more patterned and interesting? Often ideas come when you start playing with line. So I've done a stick figure and put it in a nice frame, a simple frame. Extend the arms just to make them go out right to the end, and then start considering patterns. So the pattern I'm going to consider for this doodle is really just looking at lots of straight lines. I'm going to call them bounce lines and try and make sure that the line continues like a bouncing ball within a space, and just changing it slightly, get into a smaller space, as you can see here with my continuous line. Often with doodles, we don't know what the finished product is going to come up with, but it's a good chance to play and experiment. You can see here that this space is getting smaller and smaller, and it's creating a nice optical illusion. Let's see, we'll keep going until that space runs out. There. It's a nice small shape now at the end. Let's sit back and have a look and see what that looks like. Let's consider the next space now. The next space is a triangle. I'm going to follow along with the same format, where I'm going to do a bouncing line that fills in the space. We've got a common theme happening now with this doodle pattern. Now this space over here is very similar to the first space, so I'm going to try and replicate or repeat what it is that I did with that space. One continuous line. Yeah, that's starting to come together nicely. Now when you're doing doodle patterns, it's always interesting to see the shapes that come about, and then while you're doing those doodles you might want to consider what you can do with them when they're finished. With this doodle pattern, one thing you could do would be to colour the spaces just with one other colour and leave one space free. Or alternatively, you could think of lots of different colours to fill in the spaces that you've created in this pattern doodle bounce line. We're starting to lose the original shape of the stick figure, and now the patterns are taking over. I might colour this little shape in at the end as well. Spaces, there's a little bit of a curved line, so I think I might include the curved line in the next space instead of making them all straight lines. There you go. Let's see how that's going to look. Again, I'm going to replicate or repeat that single line bounce, and it's okay to make small mistakes. Again, it's just a doodle. It started off as a piece that was quite simple, and the patterns are just taking us to another spot with regard to our finished product. It's quite an interesting effect. I'll do that, replicate that single bounce and that curved bounce in that last shape. I think when this piece is finished, I might consider colouring in with two colours, like complementary colours that are opposite. I think I might go with a red and green. For now, let's just concentrate on the line and the pattern. Now I'm left with this circular shape, so I think I might just half straighten it a little bit to make it look more in line with the rest of the pattern. What a lovely pattern we've got going on now here. Feel free to do some doodle work on your own and see what patterns you can produce. Here's my doodle art. I hope you enjoyed it.